Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide
for Chevy GMC's 04 to 12, Colorado and Canyon.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Remove your vehicle's bed. Step 3. With a 10mm socket and 6-inch extension, begin loosening the top two bolts holding the shock in place. Then, with a 21mm wrench and socket, remove the bottom shock bolt, releasing the shock. Step 4. With chalk or a marking tool, mark out the areas of the frame to be cut. Remove as much material as possible, while leaving enough material behind to weld back onto. Step 5. Begin cutting the frame, followed by grinding and cleaning the frame of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 6. Our part comes with a flange that rests on top of the frame. This is to ensure the shock sits at a consistent height over the frame rail. Butt up the part to the inner frame rail and begin welding it on. We recommend painting the part and work area to prevent against further rust development. Finally, reinstall the shock using a 12mm socket and 13mm wrench, and a 21mm socket and wrench on the bottom side. And you're done.